What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another beautiful day in the city of Lagos. Welcome back to another video and welcome back to 1800 Supremacy. I know you expected a video, but I'm sorry.
I think you made a perfect angel moving in the snow.
I'm sorry. I apologize to you guys. I couldn't make a video because one, Nigeria happened to me. Not really Nigeria, it's because I did not plan properly. Two, copyright music. Those playing not supposed to cost. Those the I was about to say it. Those people were playing copyright music and I couldn't record the video. Three. It's not three, I'm just counting rubbish. So basically, it went well-ish. There were not a lot of cars, there were not a lot of people. It was like a coded event. We posted it the day before yesterday, and people didn't pull up like that. But there were some crazy people there. Yeah. There was one guy with a Mustang, a white Mustang. Immediately he got to the gate, he just started doing burnouts. But I'm thankful for niggas like this. Said niggas, people like this boy right here, Anthony. Fly God is a good God. Finn, yeah, it's dropping August, by the way. Rckstr for making our theme song. Dion, my nigga from way back, yeah, and many more. My sister, my mom. Hopefully, I spoke to the guy sharp. Hopefully, another video is going to be uploaded after this one. I don't know how soon though, because we have not discussed on the day because I have work here. And I was coming back from work yesterday to make that video and everything flopped. I'll just kill to the clips that we managed to make that yesterday show. It's not that much, bro. Enjoy. Today, oh yeah, official car meet. Yeah, you go. And guess what's the name? Watch this shit here. Stay tuned. So you get me? Peace. Wait. Before I go, I forgot Body. Shout out to Body too, and Kola. Love you niggas to death, man. Those niggas are the real G's. They are the ones that help me with basically everything, so I can make videos like this. Yeah. So, yeah, peace.